The 5 tips I recommend for just getting started in this world of architecture to make it enjoyable, fun, exciting. My best advice. Hey everyone, my name is Bryn Young. I have been a licensed architect for 3 years now. I have been running my architecture firm for 8 years, and I have been in the design and architecture world for 15 years. I have gone through a lot. I have learned a lot, and each year, I learn more about what I like, what I don't like, how to navigate this industry. So if you're just starting out in this crazy world of architecture, whether you're just starting out in school or you just graduated and you're actually starting to work in the real world, I have a couple things to hopefully make it a better experience for you. So the first one is getting involved. Now, this could be all sorts of ways, but my biggest recommendation is just get involved with those around you. Whether that's going to happy hours and collaborating with other people, whether that's getting involved in your community or your local AIA chapter. Getting involved is such an amazing way to learn, to grow, to form relationships, to network, and it can propel you in so many different ways. It also can set you up for success in ways that you didn't realize. Sometimes just networking and creating a connection with someone can lead to a job opportunity or some sort of collaboration that can benefit the both of you. So getting involved is really important. Find out what is most enjoyable for you. And if that is just going to a happy hour that is put on by your office or by a local AIA chapter, do it. And sometimes that feels weird at first, but it is such a great way to meet people. And when you do that, you realize there's so many other people who are in the same boat as you. And so it's a great way to get connected. All right, the second thing that I recommend if you're getting started in this industry is to take risks. Now, this specifically can be when you're in school. Try to think outside the box. If you are given a specific topic or requirement for your project, don't be afraid to kind of morph that or ask questions or see if you can break that mold a little bit. Honestly, I feel like teachers who see that inspiration and excitement from students are really encouraging, and they want to see that from you, especially as architects, because that's what we do. We question things, we test things out, we try to find new solutions. And so don't be afraid to take risks. Always do things as what's expected. So take risks. And sometimes that also means trying something that you initially wouldn't expect from yourself. So even challenging yourself and surprising yourself. Now, if you're already been in school and you're getting started in the real world, this could be taking a risk with asking for a raise or asking for a job opportunity that may feel a little scary and you might not want to do at first. This could lead to huge opportunities, and by taking that risk and putting yourself out there, you could really make a difference in what you're currently working on. Okay, number 3, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It doesn't make you seem stupid or makes your boss think that you don't know what you're doing. It's best to ask questions. And you will find that bosses, teachers, mentors, people are willing to answer these questions and educate and help you. And the best thing about architecture is that no one is ever going to know it all. Your boss isn't going to know it all. Your teachers aren't going to know it all. It's a constant evolution of learning and growing, finding out new codes, energy requirements, and detailing. So the more we ask questions and the more we question what we're doing, it's not about just asking questions, but question what you're doing. Why do I detail this way? Why do I put this plan on this sheet? Why does the roof look like this? Then it answers the questions in new ways and allows you to be more creative. So don't be afraid to ask questions. And with that, don't feel like you need to know it all. Be okay with not knowing it all. In school, in your profession, as I've been running my firm for 8 years, I have been in this industry. I've been working with clients for over 10 years. I've gone through the process and I still do not know it all. I still am learning. I'm still researching new things. I'm still deepening my knowledge on building science. I'm still educating myself all the time. Even though I'm educating others, I'm educating myself as well. And I I love that. I love being in the constant state of learning because, there's always room to grow and it makes things exciting. So don't be afraid to ask questions and be okay with not knowing it all. And know that the knowledge and experience will come with time, and that confidence will come with time. Confidence comes with competence. So the longer you are in this industry, the more competent you'll get, which means the more confident you'll get. So just remember that it's okay in the beginning to not know it all and to still be kind of figuring it out. No one expects you to know it all. All right, number 4, make sure you find mentors. Once you are working professionally, this could be mentors that are helping you with your AXP hours. This could be other industry leaders, could be through your local AIA chapters. And then if you're a student, this could be maybe another student, like maybe a student who is third year or fourth year or fifth year, and you are under them. It could be a teacher or a teacher's assistant. And don't feel embarrassed to put yourself out there and ask people for help. That's what people are there for. And you will find that a lot of people are actually really, flattered and they love to help out. So find yourself a mentor that can support you through this process. The great thing too is now with YouTube and podcasts and all these online educational resources, it's easy to find mentors more and more these days. So I consider myself a mentor for tons of people. I don't necessarily work one-on-one with everybody. I don't have enough hours in my lifetime to be able to do that. But by talking here, by having you guys DM me and answering any questions you have and creating videos based on your questions, that is a way that I can help work with you and mentor you. And so find channels like this that can help. Find people like me who you can reach out and ask questions to and get responses from and help you through this process. Becoming an architect, being an architect, it's a lifelong career. It's a lifestyle. And so find a community of people who get it, who understand, who love it as much as you, who can nerd out on acoustics with you so that you have that community. All right, number 5, play. Now, when I was creating my word of the year, I like to create a word that summarizes my year. At first, I had growth because I'm always like, how big can we go? What can we do? We can do more, all stuff. And about a week into the year, I thought, you know what? That feels heavy. I don't think I want that to be my word. I think I need my word to be play, because you can still work, you can still be productive, you can still be successful in life. But if you don't have play, then it just feels like you're running around in circles. It just feels heavy and not enjoyable. And that can be the same thing when you're in school or when you're working in a job. Make sure you have fun. Make sure you play. Get creative with a presentation board or with a design. Have fun with it. Play with work, however that looks. Join a intramural soccer team. Do something to bring back play in your life and have fun with it. Architecture can be really fun and really exciting. And so often when we're first starting out and we're sketching and working on renderings and stuff like that, it is fun. But once you start getting in the day-to-day and, the grind, the fun can kind of be taken out of it. So make sure that you continually bring back the play so that you can stay excited and enjoy it. All right, so those are the 5 tips that I recommend, my best advice for just getting started in this world to make it enjoyable, make it fun, exciting. Make sure you have your community with you. Make sure you really create a successful foundation for a lifelong career. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your best advice you would have for other people, and which one of these items you related to the most. So don't forget, get involved, take risks, ask questions, find mentors, and don't forget to have fun. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I know you'll enjoy this video next. Have a good one.